Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you two ways to quickly and easily calculate expiration dates. So let's say here in cell C2 I want to calculate let's say 120 days from column B. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to say equals B2 plus 120. All I'm telling Excel is take column B2 and add 120 days to it. There we go. The other way you can do it is you could say equals, then you're going to say date, open parentheses. Alright, now this formula says first I want the year. So what I want to do is I want to get the year from B2, close parentheses, and we're going to say 3 years from now, so I'm going to add 3 to the year, comma. Then for the month, I want to get the month of B2, comma, and then for the day, I want to get the day of B2. Close parentheses, close parentheses. There we go, and that's 3 years from now. There you go.